Hello, my name is Adriana. I'm from Romania. I have long adenocarcinoma. I came to China because Romania I haven't another option, and I heard about this opportunity in China, for more treatment in China from another patient of yours. It was a pleasant experience. The doctor was very kind and very professional. They explained everything that I wanted to know, and the nurses are very nice. When I had platinum-based chemotherapy, and I had treatment two cures, two different types. The last one was the last treatment was with amivantamab because I have exon dosage mutation. It's a very good experience. In my country, I was in a public hospital, not in a private one, and this is a very big difference. And I heard about suvosertinib, and that is produced in China, and I came here. Glandular treatment in Romania are many treatments, but this wasn't available because it's not approved in Europe. Here is a private hospital, you have a very good experience. If you need more specialized treatment, you can came here relax.